Check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. Brought to you by popular demand, our brand new 2-seater Tonka Mighty Dump Truck 12-volt battery electric ride-on. If you have belongings lying around the house, then be prepared for them to be picked up and dumped by your kids with this beast of a truck with a working dump bed. The great thing is, it makes an authentic Tonka sound as they zip around on this, with space for a friend to come along for the ride since it's a 2-seater. It's suitable for children of up to 7 years of age or up to 122 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning horn, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. The off-road wheel design gives the car more grip on uneven surfaces such as grass or dirt. 2x 550 watt motors. Working dump bed. The 2-seat capacity allows your child to ride along with their friend or sibling. The livery on this car has been designed to spark your child's imagination. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.